students, how are you all? Today we are going to have recap on the chapter Who Did Patrick's Homework? Please see this comic. Patrick never did homework. He found it too boring. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true, sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus, but what could he do? He hated homework. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll. He grabbed it away from the doll. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little old shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a tall hat much like a witch's. Save me from the cat and I promise to grant you a wish. Only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. And if you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. Here is the answer to all my problems. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fist, and he grimaced and scowled. Oh, am I cursed, but I will do it. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, help me. I don't know this word. The little elf asked Patrick to look up the word in the dictionary and sound it out by each letter. What are timetables? We else never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. The elf shrieked and shouted. He didn't understand human history. He asked Patrick to go to the library and find more books to get help from. The elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder and staying up at nights. He went to school with eyes puffed and blurry. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid, cleaned his room and did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework, but it wasn't the elf at all. Patrick had done it himself. Now, let's recap the word and meaning. Nintendo, a video game. Ignoramus, an ignorant person who lacks education. Grabbed, caught, tiniest, smallest, lucky, fortunate, problems, difficulties. Semester, a half or quarter term in school or university. Dishcloth, a cloth used for washing dishes. Hamper, a basket with a lid. Wrinkled, slight folds on skin because of old age. Cursed, ill-fated. Glitch, a fault in the machine that prevents it from working properly. Elf, a supernatural creature. Squeezed, cried aloud, shrieked, gave a short, high-pitched cry. Nag, one who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. drug, something dull and uninteresting. Very extreme tiredness, blurry, looking dull because of tiredness, slyly, secretively. Kid, a child, chose work that must be done every day or one boring attitude, a feeling about someone or something, amazed, surprised. Now let's revise question and answers. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a doll. Actually, it was a small man. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? The little man granted him a wish because he saved him from the cat. What was Patrick's wish? His wish was to get his homework done from the elf. In what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? He needed his help in math and history. How did Patrick help him? He helped him by getting books from him, explaining and reading things. Who do you think did Patrick's homework, the little man or Patrick himself? Give reasons for your answer. I think Patrick himself did his homework, as Elf was just propelling him to do things. It was Patrick who was reading, explaining and arranging different things and helping Elf as well as to understand the things. Fill in the blanks in the sentence below with the words or phrases from the box. Out of luck, mystery, true to his word, chose semester between you and me. Look up. Some people find household chores a bore, but I like to help at home. Who stole the diamond is still a mystery. This semester we are going to have a class exhibition. True to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. Can you look up this word in the dictionary? I started early to be on time, but I was out of luck. There was a traffic jam. She has got a lot of books, but between you and me, I think most of them are borrowed. Now, let me read it out. Summary. Who did Patrick's homework? Introduction. This is a wonderful story which has presented magical realism in a beautiful manner. A boy, Patrick, who gets inspired and feels propelled to work hard by an imaginary elf. He is not only able to complete his work, rather scores high grades. This story conveys the message that self-help works wonders. Who did Patrick's homework? Summary. Patrick was an active boy who loved outdoor games like hockey and basketball. He was an enthusiastic player but somehow was not interested in studies. Because of his poor interest in studies, he strict work and was warned strictly by his teacher. One day, Patrick observed his cat playing with a doll, but when he looked at it closely, he found that it was a small man elf. He was wearing a woolen shirt, a tall hat and breeches. He was scared of a cat and needed help. He appealed at Patrick to save him, and in return he promised to grant him a wish. Patrick felt happy and called himself for a fortunate one. He asked the elf to do his homework in return. Though the elf was not ready for it, he offered to do this for him for 35 days. However, a problem arose when the elf told that he knew nothing of maths and history. He needed help to do these subjects. Patrick agreed and brought many books to read and consult. He sat next to Elf and put it in a hard toll to complete the work. Exactly after 35 days, when the semester was over, the elf went away quietly. Patrick scored grade A in all the subjects. Everyone appreciated him. He became a very different person who was hardworking, generous, and an exemplary boy. Patrick thought it is elf who helped him score high, but in reality it was Patrick himself who did all the good and changed his score. Hope you have understood this. Please read again and again for your better understanding. Thank you. Bye bye.